Good morning, children. I, Vandana, your SST teacher, ready with SST class. Children, in last two classes, we are studied about waste management. In that, we have discussed types of waste materials, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. And what is recycling? In last class, I have told you कि how do we recycle the products and how recycle protects the environment. In this class, I will teach you how to recycle protects the environment. Recycles products Recycling protects the environment in the following ways. Number 1, it reduces the amount of waste. It conserves our natural resources like timber, water, iron, etc. It reduces pollution. It saves energy. Here are some methods of recycling waste. Some of the methods do reduce waste are: number 1, carry a cloth bag in place of plastic bag. Number 2, compost biodegradable materials. Number 3, use energy efficient light bulbs. You should write 4 and 5 by yourself. You can write here. We can use the items which can be used again. In number 5, you can write also, we can throw the waste items in the dustbin. Adopt the following slogan in everyday life, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, rethink. Do you know, children? Kabad Se Jogad is an organization that makes and trains people in creating useful and beautiful items from waste materials. In this picture, you can see how they made different type of things from kabad. This organization is known as Kabad Se Jugad. Today, most cities, towns, villages, and countries face the challenges of having a proper system of collecting, separating reusable items and disposing of the waste. How can we dispose the waste materials? Disposing waste materials. In earlier times, the population was low and therefore the waste was very limited. It was thrown away in vacant spaces, away from homes, offices and factories. But now there are hardly any vacant places available due to increase in population and widespread construction. Hence, the amount of waste is increasing. It is proving to be a threat of the health of human beings, animals, plants, and air. There are different ways of disposing of waste. They are landfills, burning the trash. Trash is popular in Japan. Recycling and making compost. But each method has some disadvantages. The landfills require place. Once filled, new sites are required. The waste can be burned, but it pollutes the air and harms the surroundings. All methods of waste disposal are costly and the governments have to spend huge amount of money on waste disposal. Hence, we must reduce waste and recycle items from waste. All biodegradable items must be converted into compost. Here, a picture of landfill compost. You can see. We must control waste. Each and every person must take care not to litter, spit or urinate in open areas. People should be encouraged to construct toilets in rural areas. In urban areas, more toilets must be constructed. The government must take a strict law to maintain cleanliness in public places. Children, rest of the chapter we will discuss in next class.